Again, Saturday, 21st of May, 2025. 4 something in the afternoon, Comer, Georgia. I think this is a 2-engine, it may be a mid-engine train. $31.87, $2.59, both CSX. We're recording with 3 different cameras, the S22Ultra, the Osmo Action 5, and the Insta360 X3. We may get some individual pictures of some of the graffiti on the cars. I think this is going to be a fairly long train. We passed a lot of cars, box cars, or train cars, to get up to past the engines. Headed into Athens, coming from Elberton to the left, Athens to the right. I said this is Comer, Georgia. We are just off of Georgia Highway 72 Business, or Old 72, whatever you want to call it. I think that right next to us at that crossing, I think that's Georgia 22, but I may be wrong about that. This should be one of our longer trains, maybe the longest. Well, maybe not. There's the end of it. Oh, it's not a mid-engine. The one that was sitting on the tracks on the side would have been longer than this one. That one's picking up, this one's picking up speed. Okay, there it goes. We'll turn these off and head on back in for the day. That house is not something we were interested in buying.